Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you set Tripolo on Microsoft Teams. So guys, the Tripolo stands for out of office. You can do this very easily. At first, just go to the Microsoft Teams app. Here you can see in the top left here your profile icon, click on it. After clicking it, here you can see the third option here is set status message, click on it. Here you can set your status message for out of office, just like not available, like this. You can click this option here, show when people message me, or you can off it like this. Now just click the top right this icon here, save button. Again click the top left your profile icon. Now here you can see here available option, the second one, click on it. After clicking it, click the third option here, do not disturb. Now just go back and click the top left your profile icon, and here you can see the second option here is do not disturb and the third one is not available. So guys, when people see that you're not available and your do not disturb on your profile, then they will think that you're out of office. So guys, that's how you can set out of office or Tripolo in Microsoft Teams. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.